Welcome to my functional fitness channel, where we are continuing our skipping workout. Are you ready? Let's get going. So light jog. Get into your space. Feel it in your legs. So how are you guys doing? You're doing your journals, setting your alarm for your goals, posting your post-it notes on your fridge, your bathroom mirror. All right, so this is a sequel to our skipping video for beginners. Now we're moving up to intermediate. Moves are going to be a little bit more difficult. If you want to know how to start skipping, go back to my beginner video for skipping and you'll be able to see a tutorial on how to get the rope around your body and how to get into a skipping motion. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Hands on the hips. Counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out, backwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's proper. The proper blood flow to the shoulders. Make sure that you're nice and warmed up because we're getting ready to skip. All right. How are your legs feeling, guys? How are you feeling today? And let's get right to it. Single set. Hop. We can alternate. So as you already know how to skip, because you went to a beginner's video, and I showed you how to get started. Hopefully you've been practicing. Now you can see different variations. The bell. Skipping. And ski motion. Forward, backwards, back and forth. And then you can do crisscross. Oops. I just started back skipping, guys. I'm doing this to create, see, even I mess up. And then, just a sneak peek, and we're going to do the more advanced videos, just double unders. All right. Stretch in between. So our feet, dig it in, and counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Foot, right foot. Counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Great. Hopefully you're feeling that blood flow in your ankle area. Let's get back to skipping. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're going to take 1 minute together. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we just went shy of a minute. The count was off. We did over a minute. Good job at hitting your goals. Be sure. Set an alarm on your phone for your daily goals. Daily movement could be as simple as just doing 5 squats. 3, 4, 5. And you can see I did little easy squats. I did squats at 45 degree. And you could do the 90 degree. Then you could do full squats. As you can see here by the side. Those will be other videos coming up in the future. Keep on writing your goals in your journal. Keep on posting your post-it notes in your bedroom, bathroom mirror when you're brushing your teeth, shaving, doing your hair, putting on makeup. Fridge, we have to go to the fridge every day to get some milk, cold beverages. Wherever you do, wherever you go, just put a post-it note to remember about your daily goal. And put a daily routine. Easy. And daily routine is to go on my functional fitness channel. Let me do the rest for you. Just mark your goal, put an alarm, have to go look at today's running video. Running beginners, running intermediate, runner advanced. I'll categorize it for you guys. The first couple of vlogs, we're just feeling out, seeing who's watching what the request is for specific running videos. Now I'm doing how to skip rope, which is a sense of cross training, running, keeping mobile, keeping all movements in your body moving. So when you can do that, when you can keep all types of movements, all types of range of motion, this is called functional fitness. Going out in society, going to the grocery store and having, being able to lift 2 grocery bags in each hand and walking properly and balanced without being destabilized, without pulling the shoulder, pulling a muscle, the bicep, the tricep, your forearm, creating a carpal tunnel blockage in your wrists area. So this is what the functional fitness channel is doing. It's preparing you for fitness in every single direction. If you need to prepare for an exam to get into the forces, let me know. I can run you through those drill tests. I've been through them. I performed highly well in them. I was a leader in those tests, so I can definitely show you how to do it. Just put your request down in the comments below. Anything else you need? What to eat for breakfast. So what to eat for breakfast? Before breakfast, when you get up in the morning, I prefer to train and then I eat breakfast. But if you prefer to eat something because you're hungry when you wake up, then go for a yogurt, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and wait an hour to 2 hours. Allow it to digest, depending on how your system is. Everybody's system is different. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich, get carbs, get some sugars in your jelly, maybe some fructose molecules. a liter of water. Keep hydrated, it's very important. And that's basically it. Hydration, hydration, hydration. All right, we're gonna go for another minute, and then we'll get into the stretches. And I'll have you open up your agenda and write what your tomorrow's goals are. All right, so let's get going into another minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third. Let's go, guys. You can do it. Focus. Concentrate. 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Focus. Concentrate. That's it. You can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Good job. Now we're going to go right into the stretches. I like this stretch right here. I'm going to put this hip bone between my leg. And I lift it up. My forefoot. And that's it. Just keep your balance. Keep your head up. And breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Switch. It's the left leg this time. Just hop around to get your balance, and once your heel is touching the back of your buttock, your gluteus maximus, and you're good. Keep your head straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good stuff. Arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulders. Look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can just join me and let me know if you find that the journal is helping you, if you find that these stretches are helping you, if you find that the beginner's tutorial helped you skip, that the intermediate is keeping you in shape, keeping you on track to moving every single day. 9, 10. Just like this video. It's going to encourage me to know exactly what my viewers are liking, so I can continue making more of that content, making better it. Add surprises and changes, as you can see in my videos. Doing the effort. It's been a week now. Appreciate that you all are being there watching these videos. It's day 7 of posting vlogs every single day. I'm going to give you something to add to your list. Then eventually you'll have a repertoire of a bunch of workouts to go after. Just go back to the video and watch exactly what I took you through the workout, and you'll follow me through in those videos. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You follow step by step every single thing I'm bringing forward in the video, and moving forward, you'll be moving forward with me. Take a left step, you take a left step. I take a right step, you take a right step. wherever I'm going, if you keep on following those footsteps, you're going to go exactly where I'm going. Exactly. You'll get to your destination. You'll hit your goals. Journal, accountability. Post-it notes, accountability. Alarming your cell phone, accountability. Watching these videos, accountability. Communicating with me through email or through the comments below, accountability. In case you want to write down the email, my functional fitness channel at gmail.com. That's my functional fitness channel at gmail.com. I'll be posting it down below in the description of this video, and keep on following me. Thank you for joining us on the intermediate skipping video, and now keep on practicing so we can go to the advanced video. Have a good day. Have a successful day. Bye-bye.